One of the easiest slings that I have ever made that I'm going to show you how to make is I'm going to turn this into this.
But Dad, I don't want to be a slingshot.
Son, we come from a long line of slings. Everyone in our family becomes a sling.
But will I get fork hits?
No, son. Uncle D's will take care of you. You're in good hands.
Yay!
This is a descender thingy for all you hiker, climber people maybe. I don't know what it is, but I think people call it a figure eight. Step one, you're going to want to go ahead and find anywhere on here that is going to be somewhat in the center because you want the forks to be pretty much straight up and down. Find that center there, make a mark. You guessed it. Now that we have a mark, we're going to go ahead and cut. Might be a little crooked. Pick any device that you have that you can cut with, preferably something that cuts metal, and go ahead and choppity chop the toppity top. So what's next? Well, this edge here is sharp, so it needs to be smoothed out. So whatever device you can come up with to smooth it out, do that. I chose sandpaper, so now my edges are smooth as can be and I can band it up. This is the point that you can choose to do whatever you'd like. You can add some shrink wrap, some grip tape, sand it down flat if you wanted. You could add some tabs on here. You could add some band grooves. You could do anything you want. But at this point here, this thing is shootable. As crooked and weird as it looks, it is shootable. I'm gonna prove it to you right now. Let's get out there and shoot. Wait a minute, back it up. I guess I should show you some dimensions, right? Because you don't even know what this is. So you can buy these in different sizes, but the one that I got here came out to 75. Fork tips are probably like 13 or 14 or something. So that's what you're gonna have to work with when you're banding this thing up. I have to make a set, so let me make a band set and then I'll show you how I attach it real quick, just so you can get it all down and whatever. All right, we got a fresh band set made up. All right, yeah, I'm gonna show you what it looks like when we put it on the sling here. Come on down, let's take a look. We got this here, and we have this band here. I'm gonna come down a little ways there. So I use the amber belt. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap the snot out of this, and then I'm gonna wrap the other side. Here we are. We're gonna take some shots. Have my beautiful tie job on there, but it should work. And this is the very first shot that I've taken on this thing. 75 millimeter. And we're gonna shoot long draw. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. Hey, first shot. Is that good luck? Smoky. All right, well, there you have it, 5 shots. I challenged myself on the first one. I made this right off the beginning. I was shooting, I was only shooting through the fork at the very beginning, and I made it through the fork, one of these figure eights. That was proved out to be a lot more difficult than this. This you can make in literally 5 minutes, man. 5 minutes with a Sharpie, a saw, and sandpaper. And then you can get out there and shoot. If you like videos like this, or slingshots in general, please at least consider subscribing to my channel. Like, notifications, comments, all that jazz. Let's go out. I want to get a couple more shots on this damn thing. So I'm gonna go back out there just for a few more minutes, all right? You can just listen to some music. Let's play this out to the end. Final thoughts. This thing is super fun, super easy. This has not moved at all. So you don't need band grooves, guys. Whatever. You can put them on there if you want, but you don't need them. So I'm gonna get out there and shoot a little bit.
Gee, Dad, you're right. It's great being a sling.
I told you so, little Johnny. Now get a haircut.
Ah!
Quick update, guys. I cut a couple of cans. I put 2 more before that, so 4 cans were cut. And I've been shooting this thing all around the backyard, plinking and whatnot. And I wanted to give you an update. So we're gonna say probably between 200 and 300 shots on this thing here, and no problems. And you can see the reason I'm showing you this is that no band grooves. I know it's not like mind-bending stuff going on here, but a lot of people get worried in the details. You don't have to. It's not even cut straight. I just hacked it to death, but I was able to shoot, and I can shoot very accurate with it. Very comfortable. I did not tune these bands or set them or anything. I just put them on. I don't even know the measurements, but after a couple hundred shots, this is a super comfortable frame, super easy to make, super cheap, and I don't know. Thanks for watching.